Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to view Snapchat stories without the person knowing. This means that the person who posted the story won't know that you've seen it. Plus, you can even take a screenshot or screen recording and discreetly save it your gallery. Here is how to do it. Open the Snapchat app and log into your account. Find the story you want to view without alerting the user. I'll be viewing my second account's history for clarity. Swipe down in the bottom or top right corner of the screen to turn on airplane mode. Make sure Wi-Fi also turn it off. Once airplane mode is enabled, make sure that history is full loaded before viewing it. You can now view the history, take screenshot or recording to the screen without alternating the user. Once you have viewed the story and take the desired screenshots, exit Snapchat. If you're using an Android device, clear your data in the Snapchat app. If you're using iOS, uninstall the Snapchat app from your device. Turn your data and Wi-Fi back on, and then reinstall Snapchat from the App Store or Google Play Store. After installing the app, log back into your Snapchat account. I'll log into the account where the story was posted to see if anyone has viewed my story. As you can see, the account from which I viewed the story and took screenshot is not shown here. That's it. You have successfully viewed your Snapchat history without leaving a trace. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to leave questions in the comments section below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching and see you next time.